Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready? Let's start. First we learn some farm